Good morning, guys! Today's plan is to go to Big Buddha, one of the most famous attractions here in Phuket. So I'm doing it with my friend Claudia. Claudia is from Peru. She's such an amazing girl. Yesterday we went to the Freedom Beach and the Paradise Beach together. We had the most amazing time. And today we're going to Big Buddha! Yeah, baby! So let's go! We reached Big Buddha, but we had quite a lot of problems because I couldn't get in without something on covering my apparently just top part, but actually used my rucksack. And then my friend has lent me a towel to put underneath, like on my legs, because they were trying to overcharge massively for the stuff that they were providing, just like a sheet to put on. And look at this wonderful view behind me. Happy meditation. Oh, is it so good? How beautiful, look!
Oh.
I wish I had something that I could give to her.
Lady,